In this video, I'll show you how to make a looping PowerPoint. Let's get on with it. So I have these 3 slides here and I want it to play slide 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, until I tell it to stop. So how do we do that? First thing you need to do, let's start at the very beginning. What we want to do now, we want to choose the timing. Before we do that though, we've got to select all the slides so it applies it to all of them. First thing you need to do, click on the first slide. Hold down Shift. Click on the last slide. So you've got all of them selected. Go to Transitions. Choose what type of transition you want. And that's the animation that happens when it moves from one slide to the other. We've got Fade. Yeah. Let's go with Push. There you go. It'll do that. You pick whichever one you want. Then you must, when they're all selected, remember they've all got to be selected. You've got on mouse click for advanced slide. You do not want that. So unclick that and instead check the box that says after. Choose how long you want this slide to stay up for. So let's say we want to stay up for 2 seconds. You can choose as long as you want. 3 seconds, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you want. Gone for 2 seconds. So that should be applied to all of them. So we've got the first one there, which is 2 seconds. The next one, 2 seconds as well, which is after. And the next one, which is after 2 seconds. So just check that they're all going to do that. By the way, I've done this for 3 slides. You can do this for as many as you want. Next thing you need to do, go to Slideshow along the top and choose Set Up Slideshow. It'll bring up this box. Now, depending what version of PowerPoint you're using, this box might look a little bit different, but do not worry about that. Now, check the box that says Loop Continuously Until Escape. So ESC is escape. That means you're pressing the ESC or escape button on your keyboard. That's the only way to exit out of this. Check that box there. Now I'll press OK. And you want to save it. Okay, so you saved it. You've done everything I've told you. Let's now witness this working. I'm going to present the slideshow. So I said it was after 2 seconds. It's going to move on. There you go. Slide 2. What's next? Slide 3, and then the next slide is slide 1. And after slide 1, slide 2, like and subscribe. And then we got slide 3, and then we've got slide 1. Remember how to get out of it? It's the escape button on your keyboard, the escape key on your keyboard. So click on that, so ESC, there we go. Takes me back to the PowerPoint. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.